Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch between line out and phono out on T1 EVO Phono or T1 EVO Bluetooth. On both of these devices, it is going to be different. If you're not sure which one to choose, line out or phono out, I will explain it later in this video. But first, let's quickly go through how to change it. So on your T1 EVO Phono, in order to change it, you will need to sort of turn around the device. So be careful with it. If you need, remove the platter so you do not destroy it. First, I will of course put the stylus here. I will remove the record because I currently have it on, and let's turn the device around. I'll try not to go around too much here. I'll unplug the RCA cable and the power cord so it is not disrupting me, but you don't need to necessarily. Now I'll actually remove the cover so I can hold the platter and the stylus while turning it around to make sure it doesn't fall down. And as you can see right here on the T1 EVO Phono, there is this switch which lets you to switch to line out or phono out. So that is it. And on Bluetooth, on the T1 EVO Bluetooth, it is a little easier because there you just have two different sets of RCA ports. You have the red and white port marked as line out, and the other red and white one marked as the one is line out, the other one is phono out. Now I'll plug them back in and I'll try to explain, I'll do my best to explain what is the difference between them. So in the phono and the Bluetooth version of the turntable, there is a preamplifier built in, and your full record player setup requires 4 parts. The turntable itself, a preamp, amp, and the speaker. So as you can see, between the turntable and the speaker, there is 2 sort of amplifiers. One of them is preamplifier, the other one is an amplifier. Then in the T1 EVO version standard, you don't have the preamplifier built in, so you always need to connect it to the preamplifier or an amplifier with a preamplifier built in, because of course you can have those things sort of merged. You don't need 4 devices for it to work. As you can see, I have a setup that consists of 2 devices. One of them is the turntable model phono, which has a preamplifier built in, and the other thing that I have is the speaker. It is an active speaker, which means it has an amplifier built in. Now, in order for my setup to work, I need to set my setup to line out. Line out means the preamplifier built into my turntable is working. Phono out, on the other hand, requires a separate preamplifier in your setup, an external one that you can get separately. So I think that that's basically it. Of course, your speaker also can be just a passive speaker with an external amplifier, but it doesn't matter here. What matters is whether you're using an external preamplifier or not. If you're not using it, set it to line out, and if you are using it, set it to phono out. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.